We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We are showing you how to make our favorite chocolate cupcakes. These are rich, chocolatey, and the batter happens to be naturally vegan. Start with your dry ingredients. There's flour, unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. If your cocoa is lumpy, like ours, sift the ingredients together. Give them a final whisk and move on to the wet ingredients. We need oil, apple cider vinegar, or use white vinegar, and vanilla extract. Add this to both white and brown sugar. Whisk the oil mixture into the sugar. Now combine the dry ingredients and sugar mixture. The batter will be thick, don't worry, we will fix it soon. As usual, the full recipe with ingredient amounts and tips is on Inspired Taste. Now pour in some hot coffee, or if you don't have coffee, use plain hot water. Whisk the batter until it's mostly smooth. Pour or spoon the batter into the liners, filling about 3/4 of the way to the top. To remove any large air bubbles, gently tap the pan on your work surface. Now bake until the tops of the cupcakes are springy when touched, and when a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. While they bake and cool, make the frosting. You'll need powdered sugar. If it's lumpy, sift it. Add unsalted butter or a vegan butter sticks to a bowl and beat until light and fluffy. Beat in vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Then move on to the sugar. Add the powdered sugar in 2 parts, beating between each addition until the frosting is fluffy. To thin the buttercream out, add a splash of cream, milk, or non-dairy milk. Or if you find it's too thin, add a bit more sugar. When the cupcakes have cooled completely, you can frost them. I like to use a small cookie scoop to portion out the frosting onto each cupcake, and then take a butter knife and spread it around the top of the cake. Finish with some sprinkles and you have our favorite, super rich, moist chocolate cupcakes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.